units responding to the area. There's a white Honda Accord. Driver's side has heavy damage. Vehicle is running. There's a black male on the passenger side passed out, possibly sleeping. It's partially blocking the driveway. No plates on the vehicle.
Open doors. Don't. Hey, don't. Open the door.
Recording.
Oh, he's up. He's up.
Open the door.
Open the door. Shit. Watch out. Shots fired.
Driver, show me your hands!
Won't do it.
Driver, show me your hands! Hey, no. Stay back here. Pull.
I'm gonna get him out. Just cover him.
How many are in the car?
2.
Tell him to slowly exit. Open the door from the outside.
Come here.
Hands on top of your head.
On top.
Interlock your fingers, turn the other way. Walk back towards us now.
Driver, show me your hands! Driver, show me your hands!
Don't do it. You're good. Look that way.
Driver, show me your hands!
Come on, there.
Driver, show me your hands now!
We're gonna have to commit and go.
Someone needs to walk around and cut the angle.
I got swing right
Driver, put your hands up! Can you see his hands? Driver, show me your hands!
Take swing.
You can't see anything?
Like he's unconscious.
Hey, he said he probably has a gun.
Yep. Driver, show me your hands! What's his name?
What's this guy? Was he awake when you exited the vehicle and conscious? Was he awake and conscious when you exited the car? Yes. He wasn't awake? He was dozing off?
Next unit up here, we need a shield. Driver, show me your hands!
Please.
Looks like he's unconscious.
That's clear. 215, I'm on scene. 23.
Hey, go! Hey. Got hands? Yep.
I'm coming over to unlock. Unlock.
You got it? Guns on the floorboard.
260, we'll be gone.